Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. And in today's video, we're going to be going over a killer deal at Walmart right now for AT&T Prepaid. What is Cricket going to do about it? Go ahead and leave a comment down below what you think about this video, but let's go ahead and get into it. All right, smack the video with a like for your boy Magic. I know you like the video, but go ahead and also subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And yes, Dingtone is the sponsor of this video. Go ahead and download Dingtone, get a free number to call and text anywhere in the world. All you need is internet connection to do that. So let's go ahead and actually look at what we got going on here. And this information, of course, is brought to you by Mill Hustles, track phone guy, aka the best friend ever. So AT&T Motorola Moto G Power 64 gigabyte Dark Grove prepaid smartphone. And yes, guys, this is not a live video. This is a premiere video, but I will be in the comments down below, and I will be chatting with you guys as this video is premiering, so you guys can still get that live kind of experience. Live streaming will be coming back soon. I'm just trying this stuff out for now. Hopefully, like I said, live stream will come back. Being Lady Red, if you want to go ahead and leave a super chat or whatever, I appreciate that as well. But so here goes the deal right here. So it's actually $99. It's $49, and you get it. You get it for $49, but you have to get a activation with in-store purchase and activation. So you have to activate it with a AT&T prepaid card. So I think it's a killer deal. So let's just go ahead and kind of get into it. It's a Moto G Power, and it 6.5 max vision HD plus display. It's a triple camera setup right there for 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel rear camera with flash. It's only an 8 megapixel selfie, not a 16 like the other deal that I showed you guys. That, like I said, with the track phone with the year service, that had 1500 minutes, 1500 text messages, and 1500 megabytes. But this phone right here comes with the 5000 milliamp battery, a fingerprint reader, and it is Android 11. So it's like the other phone, but it's a little bit, I don't know, I kind of like this one a little bit better than the last one I showed you guys. And of course, it's on AT&T Prepaid. It's not track phone. The other one was a year special. This is 1 month special. Like I said, Cricket right now just has some really crappy deals, to be honest with you guys. The deals that I'm just not liking them whatsoever. And hopefully, Cricket Wireless will come back with some really killer deals after the tax season. But it seems like Cricket Wireless really likes to do that whole, oh, it's tax season time, people have money, so let's just try to hang them upside down and take all the money they got, like those cartoons where they like hang you from upside down and they like shake all the change out of your pocket, shake all the money out of your pocket. That's what I see going on at Cricket right now. So this phone does have the 64 gigabytes of storage, like I said, 512 gigabytes if you want to add that SD card right there. I don't really do the SD card thing. I like to just have mine right there. It's got 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. So it is a 4.7 out of 5 review. But the weird thing about it is that I seen it has it's looking for, it says right here, great coverage and color. I was like, what? When I told people I was painting my room red, they were skeptical. No one really wanted to tell me what they were thought. So it's weird that the reviews on this thing are about paint. I don't know why that is and what happened, but they mixed up the reviews. So it's not actually a 4.7 out of 5. So it's weird. So don't forget, guys, if you're actually getting a phone or getting some kind of product, you definitely want to go ahead and actually take a look at what's going on here and actually look at the reviews. So this is definitely not the reviews. Great color, great coverage, 2 coats, great coverage. Absolutely loved it. First time used, made me a convert. Great product, I'm very satisfied. Used the Glidden paint on my daughter's bedroom. So apparently this is Glidden red paint that they're reviewing here, which is, anyways, that's pretty much the video right there in a nutshell, guys. I'm not going to keep you too long or too much of your time. Thank you all of y'all that have joined in, and if you're in the live chat, and if you left a super chat, I really appreciate that as well. So if somebody has told you that you're amazing today, they're doing something wrong. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. And if you are definitely, the world is definitely a better place with you than without you. So don't let anybody tell you different. And like I said, Dingtone is a sponsor. Let's go ahead and run the commercial.
It's 2022, and everyone and their mother is dealing with spam calls and spam text messages. So why not get a second phone number you can give out whenever you're signing up for services or paying a bill, so you don't have to deal with spam calls and spam text messages anymore? The solution is called Dingtone. Get a free real phone number that you can give out so you no longer get these spam calls and spam text messages. Download Dingtone for a real free phone number today, available on iOS and Android.
Alrighty, guys, and if you did reach the end of the video up to this point, go ahead and hit hashtag MTR Deals for the win to let me know that you watched it all the way through. Let me know if you missed the live streams, if you want to see the live streams, what you want me to do during the live streams when they do come back. And that's it. Bye-bye, guys. Peace out.